musky walleye bass. Okay, here we go. Woo! Hey guys, Big John here. Yeah guys, it's Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, March 12th, 2020. Got the boat hooked up. All set to go. Gonna go try and catch a few walleye. I don't have much time, but I got a few hours, so let's go out there and play, see if we can catch something, guys. 20, guys. It's going down. Fish are digging for bottom. There we go. Nothing crazy. So like that silver and black, eh? I like that silver and black. These fish. Send them back for another day. Once we get down, we're going to try and throw right back over top of it. Fish on. Number 2, guys. Number 2. When they shake a lot, they're usually on the bottom. I don't know. You can just tell. Oh, I'm wrong, guys. It's on the top. But a lot of times you can tell when they're on the bottom. You feel a little bit different shake right near the weight. So I just pull this one in, which is my 20, and be patient, you get all the time in the world. I put this on my neck till I get my 20 in, that way you don't get tangled up. And just go like this. Kind of sees out to the side of the boat, which is good. If you have to, you can always cut into it, especially when you're hand lining one guy. Go get some smaller ones today, guys. These are oh, that was on chartreuse, so that's I want to say maybe 18-inch fish, probably 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Nice little fish. I'm gonna send them back, but you're gonna eat some. That's the size I want to go. So I'm gonna cheat here, guys. I'm going to cut the wheel and go right back over it. Right back over the same spot. All over there. At the side boat. There we go. 40's out. I'll put that right back around my neck, and then make sure you see which side you put your 20, which was under. Put it right there. Get that in the water. It's got on my hoodie. Hoodies are great, but they drop right back down. You're going right over top of the same fish. If there's a pattern, if there's a school there, could just be a single fish though. So yeah, guys, second time out. Picked up 2 fish this time. When I went out the other day, I only picked up 1 fish, so I guess it's an improvement. It's getting better. Fishing mid-river. Here's let me see if you guys can see here. Get the GoPro situated. It's 36.4 degrees Fahrenheit, the water temp. And yeah, you can see all my little zigzags. The other day I was getting them in the shallow stuff, you know, like 13 feet of water I picked up. Talking like I caught multiple fish here today. The other day when I caught the one fish, I got it in like 13 feet of water. And I was actually marking fish here the other day. So I started off there and I wasn't marking anything there and wasn't catching anything there. So I started trolling out this way. I picked up my first fish right here in 28 feet of water. So I doubled back and tried coming back over it, nothing, and trolled up. I picked up my second fish on this, even though they're only about 100 feet apart from each other. Big difference in depth. That was 24 feet, this one was 28 feet. So yeah, guys, no real pattern. Where's the buoy? Where's Baba Booey? There's Baba Booey. Don't want to run into Baba Booey. So anyways, guys, it is what it is. Water, there's the water clarity. It's clean for this time of year. So yeah, water temp's cold. I can't speak for the jiggers because I'm not jigging. You can see there's a couple boats out here. I didn't see any nets flying. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you there. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Love yous all. Be positive, and if you're getting out this weekend, good luck. Cheers, guys. Love yous all. Big John's out. Be positive. Don't be negative. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And yeah, man. Cheers.